Hi everyone, this is Danella from the Mom Vlog. Hope you all had a great holiday. Stopped by Walmart today to get dog food, and of course there was like 3 racks full of clearance items. This one was something that I found while on vacation. They're the Allen vegetables. It had a whole variety. They're 2 for $1. We have a 50 cents off when you buy 3. So it's 3 for $1. So buy 2 get 1 free, basically. And I bought like 2 pallets of those. Then the Glory. These were at Walmart. They had the sweet potato casserole, collard greens, buttered beans, and a few other ones. They didn't have no green beans or corn or anything like that. So I got these. This one was 68 cents, and the buttered beans was 78 cents. And I had a coupon 75 cents off when you buy 2 of them, so it's kind of like buy 1 get 1 free. Then these Nestle morsels. I wanted to get chocolate, but the chocolate box is empty. I don't know if they had more. But they were $1.09 or $1 something each, and I had $1 off too, so again about 50 some cents each. This was also 50% off or on clearance. It was $2.98 and I had $1 off, so $1.98. I'm gonna give that to my sister for her coupons. Then all of the holiday teas were on sale for also $1 something. I think regular price was $2.14, so it had to have been like $1.07. And I had $1 off too. There is $1 off one, but I had already used those, so these came out to about 50 some cents each. Then I've been waiting and waiting for these to go on clearance. Other areas did get them on clearance, so these again I paid about 75 cents for the wipes, and they had like 3 varieties available. And I think that was it. We also got the Old Roy dog food. It was 30 dog food, 44 pounds for $16.88 or something. So that on top of this, I think everything for $20 today. We also stopped at the Sprouts in our area. We got some grapefruits. These are 4 for $1, and these are huge grapefruits. So if you don't have one close to you, can always price match at Walmart. And we're gonna do the Master Cleanse at the beginning of the year. So we also got some cayenne pepper, like 3 bags of lemons. Those were 49 cents each. In our regular grocery store, they're about 55 cents each. And they're organic, so it's even better. Got some honey, lemon juice. I had 75 cents off, so it came out to about $1.50. And the pineapples, I've been raving about the pineapples. They are 99 cents each, and they're the Chiquita Gold Extra Sweet pineapples. So again, I think I'm going to go and price match at Walmart sometime before the weekend's over. Alright, thanks, bye.